Yo, what's good, guys? I just wanted to make a video talking about my weekly focus list for the upcoming week, so let's get right into it. So right here, first on my list is going to be Oscar Health OSCR. If you watched my previous video talking about the setups, you know exactly why I like this setup. The moving averages are in place. We have over a 5% ADR, and the setup looks great. We had a run up with decent volume, and then now it's been consolidating while holding the moving averages. So we reclaimed the 8-day moving averages last Friday, just barely. So I'm going to be looking for a break of this previous day high, but specifically a break of 1870 with volume, and which would also break this trend line. So that would be my entry, and I'd be getting 19 calls for November 21st, and I'd be aiming for at least 2077 plus. All right, next up we have Joby Aviation, JOBY. So the aerospace sector has been gaining a lot of momentum recently, and this had a decent pump up for a few days, but I think it's just getting started, and it's setting up now. It's supporting the moving averages. Again, the moving averages are in place. ADR is about 5%, and overall it looks really good. The run-up had volume, and this consolidation has had decreasing volume, which I talked about in my previous video. So I'm going to be looking for a break of 1640 with volume, and I'm going to be getting 17 calls for November 21st, and I'll be aiming for 1720 to $18 plus. Next up we have Sunrun, which is a solar company, RUN. The solar sector has been gaining a lot of momentum recently. A lot of people have been talking about it online, and I've really liked this stock. Previously got into it, but I got stopped out. This was kind of like a fake out last week, but it looks really good now. Reclaimed the moving averages, and I'll be looking to get in of a break of 1796, and I'll be getting 18 call November 21st, and I'll be aiming for at least $19. Next up we have QS. As I talked about in my last video, this is a great stock. Quantum sector has been gaining a lot of momentum and has had some crazy plays. This set back up again after a huge pump with volume, and it's been decreasing volume in this mini consolidation phase here. Moving averages are in place, over 5% ADR, so I'm going to be looking for a break of the previous day's high with volume of 1293, and I'm going to get 13 call for November 21st. Next up we have Riot, RIOT. This is a really good like Bitcoin mining stock, I believe. As you can see right here, nice run on moving averages are in place, over 5% ADR. Decent volume all around, and again had this nice run up. It's been consolidating, supporting the 8-day EMA. So I'm going to be looking for a break of $18 to get in, and I'm going to be getting 19 call for November 21st, and I'm going to be aiming for at least 2013 plus. Next up we have CELH, Celsius. So this isn't really in a popular sector, I don't believe. It's like consumerism or whatever, but really like the stock. 3.85 ADR, so not above 5%, but it is above 2.5%, which again I talked about in my previous video. And the moving averages aren't even in place, but this reminds me of the ASTS play that I had last week at the beginning. I had a really good, nice play, and the moving averages weren't in place, but it had a similar look to it, like the wedge pop, and that's exactly what's going on here. So we broke out of this trend with volume, so I'll be looking for a continuation, which would be a break of the previous day's high with volume, and I'd be aiming for at least 60 plus. Next up we have Snow. Really like this. This is a strong AI stock. It has some crazy momentum in the past and has made a lot of good moves. We gapped up here on earnings and been consolidating since. The moving averages are in place. It has over 2.5% ADR. Looks good again, holding up these moving averages, so I'm going to be looking to get in of a breaker of 22604. Really like this, and I'll be getting a 235 call November 21st. And my take profits will be at least 235 and higher. And next we have ZS. Been seeing a lot of people talk about this stock. Looks great, a lot of momentum in it. Has a 3.18% ADR, which is good. Moving averages are in place, and it just tapped in, bounced off the 8-day EMA last Friday. Looks really good. Looks like it's breaking out of this trend. I think this is just getting started. It can easily come up and test 318 again, to be honest. Really like this. I'm going to be getting, I believe, 320 November 21st or 310, one of those two. But looks really good, and yeah, I'll be aiming for probably around 310 for my first trim, and then 318 for full profit. So yeah, guys, that was just a quick video I wanted to make before the week started, so you know what I'm watching. And as the days go on, I'll be removing stuff from my focus list if it didn't play out, or I'll be adding stuff as well, and I'll update during this week of what's going on, what's happening, and what I'm looking at. If you made it to the end, let me know what stocks are on your focus list this week. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Peace.